I am happy to introduce the revolutionary app for traders and investors in the markets based on highly accurate, artificially intelligent algorithms from the legend, Alex Vieira, with an uncanny track record since 1989. We are the first to bring real-time AI portfolio analysis, AI bot trading, and AI risk analysis for the iPhone, iPad, Apple Watch, and Apple TV. Watch the magic synchronized across your devices. Access highly accurate AI data analysis, and AI bot trade signals in a custom dashboard. Trade, stocks, ETFs, Forex, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. We help you make better decisions by ensuring your most important, accurate, and reliable portfolio analysis is always a glance away. Choose your own portfolio and widgets according to your budget, or go with one of the available artificially intelligent plans. I invite you to enroll in the free course to learn how simple it is, and to learn what no one else can do. You are one step away from dramatically improve your life according to hundreds of legitimate users' reviews. No one can beat you using artificial intelligence in the markets.
Alex here, live with the tech sector in the US. Today you have article published in basically in real time, and these are just comments as a complement to the content of the article published in AI Vision. So as of today, we closed entirely the position in the ETF, the Qs. I'm going to put it here, the alert. So the entire position sold 100%. So the bulk of the position we bailed out, okay? So the reason why we bailed out, I already addressed. In the past few months, we called the crash in the US stock market, downgrading the ETF at 245 and then reiterating a strong buy at 165, precisely when I made available the button in Tesla and Apple along obviously the stock market. You have here a list of stocks where we recommended massive investment positions along with the ETF. So during this investment process that lasted for several months, we gave you very clear and very simple instructions, sharing with you the chart that you had to utilize,